Hi everyone, this is Jay Morielli at pBrain LLC. I'm excited to submit my first Android application to the NIST Reference Data Challenge. The SRD Handbook is a quick reference guide to 3 of the eligible databases. The first one is the Fundamental Physical Constants, that's SRD 121. It contains reference data on fundamental constants. The second one is ground level and ionization energies for neutral atoms. That's SRD 111, and that contains data on the ground level and ionization energies for neutral atoms. And the third one is atomic weights and isotopic compositions. That's SRD 144, and that contains data on the atomic mass and relative abundance of elements in lab samples. The SRD Handbook also provides links to eligible standard reference data at NIST websites for easy access for information if it's needed. And lastly, there's a section that describes the application. Okay, now for a short demonstration of the app. The app opens on the main page and shows the available reference data. We'll go to the physical constant database, and you can see a table containing the quantity, the value, the units, and the uncertainty. And you can scroll down and find the constants you're interested in looking at. So say, for example, I want the charge of an electron. I can go to the elementary charge. You can see I press the editing features here and scroll over and capture the data I want. So now I hit copy, and then I'll switch over to my document, and I hold my finger down, and then I'll say paste, and then I'll select my clipboard copy, and then you can see that I've just pasted in the charge of an electron into my equation. So then when you're done with that, you can switch back to the application and go back to the main menu. Okay, now that we're back at the main menu, we can pick the ionization energy. You can see the again, it's another table with all the elements, element number, ground shells, ground level, ionization energy, and links to the references. Return to the main page. Okay, back at the main page, we look at the atomic weights. You can see the table, you can see the isotope name, the number, the relative mass, the isotopic composition, the atomic mass for each isotope. Go back to the main page. Okay, back at the main page here, we can go to these standard reference data at NIST websites, and this page provides you with links to all the eligible databases, to the websites for each of these databases. So for example, if you want to actually go to the physical constants website at NIST, this link will take you to the browser, and then you have access to everything that's on each of the websites. So we'll go back, and then you can return to the main. Okay, then lastly we have the about section of the application, and it tells you a little bit about the applications. It tells you that about the 3 standard reference data sets that are available. It tells you that you can go to the website. It also tells you that this data is provided by NIST, but it's not endorsed or certified by NIST. And then there's a little bit about where to find some of the things I've worked on. I first learned about the interaction of light and matter by burning chemical samples in a flame in 7th grade science class. The color of the flame indicated a representative spectrum of the compound. With a carefully made catalog of spectra, the elemental composition of stars thousands to billions of light years away can be determined. I still find this a fascinating and amazing aspect of the universe. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my app filled with the wonders of the universe, thanks to the hard work by scientists and engineers around the world and at NIST. Thank you very much.